Hello, today I will show you how to upgrade motherboard BIOS of Asrock B860 Pro RS Wi-Fi. First visit the official website and download the new BIOS. Download BIOS, unzip and copy to USB stick. Turn on the computer, insert USB stick with the new BIOS and press the delete key to enter the BIOS. On motherboard is 1.21 BIOS. Go to Advanced menu and then to Tool menu. Press Instant Flash where we do upgrade BIOS. Press Delete on keyboard for BIOS. And new 3.22 BIOS is updated. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.